I'm Kyle with DCS. We're going to go over some of our standalone options. We make brand new harnesses for all the 5.9 Cummins engines. Start out with the 12 valves. Our harnesses are set up for the Dodge P-pump style fuel shutdown solenoid. We do offer an adapter for the VE guys, allow the harness to work for them. Next option is the VP 24 valves. The biggest thing with these is we need to verify what year engine or what style of engine you have. There's 3 different variations of the VP trucks and the harness layout. So we do have some information on our website, or you can always give us a call. After that, we do have a new common rail harness. This includes both the C1 and C2 harnesses. We make these in-house from scratch. We cover the 2003 to 2000 up to 2007 5.9 common rail. All of these harnesses are set up and pre-wired for the swap helper TAC adapter, and that just allows us to read the Cummins crank sensor and converts that signal over to whatever signal you need for aftermarket TAC gauge or factory gauge in whatever vehicle you're using. They're also paired with a one-wire alternator. It eliminates some of the headaches with the external regulators. We've had real good luck with these. They do offer a TAC output for some different variations depending on what you're putting these engines in. That covers that. If you got any questions, just give us a call.